The entryway is more than just a passage into your home. It's the very first chapter of your story, setting the tone for everything that follows. It's that initial moment of impression, a gentle but powerful handshake between your personal style and your guests' expectations. Creating a stunning entryway doesn't require a grand foyer or a sprawling space. Instead, it's about thoughtful design, clever use of decor, and a keen eye for what makes people feel instantly welcomed and wowed. Let's dive into a world of entryway inspiration, exploring ideas that will leave your guests marveling from the moment they step through your door. Imagine walking into a home where the entryway feels like a gentle embrace. The lighting is warm, the air is subtly scented, and every piece seems intentionally placed. One of the most impactful ways to elevate your entry is through statement lighting. Whether you opt for a dazzling chandelier, a sleek modern pendant, or a series of artful sconces, lighting can set the mood and draw the eye upward, making even the smallest spaces feel grand. Consider dimmable options to adjust the ambience for different occasions, soft and welcoming for guests, bright and functional for day-to-day activity. Next, focus on the foundation, the flooring. An entryway rug or runner isn't just practical for catching dirt. It's an opportunity to introduce color, pattern, and texture right at the threshold. Opt for a bold, geometric print to add energy, or a classic natural fiber for understated elegance. Layering rugs can also create depth and a sense of luxury, especially in larger spaces. No entryway is complete without a focal point. Often, this takes the form of an eye-catching console table. Choose a piece that reflects your style, whether it's a vintage wooden table, a sleek marble top, or a minimalist floating shelf. On top, curate a vignette, perhaps a vase of fresh flowers, a stack of coffee table books, a decorative tray for keys, and a statement piece of art or sculpture. The goal is to create visual interest without overcrowding. Each object should feel intentional and inviting. Mirrors are another secret weapon in the entryway arsenal. Not only do they reflect light and make your space appear larger, but they also offer a quick spot for last-minute checks as you or your guests head out the door. Consider a dramatic, oversized mirror for maximum impact, or a cluster of smaller mirrors in unique frames for a playful, eclectic vibe. Wall treatments can further transform your entryway. A bold paint color, wallpaper, or even a mural can infuse personality from the outset. If you lean towards subtlety, wainscoting, or shiplap, adds architectural interest without overwhelming the senses. For those who appreciate art, a gallery wall of your favorite prints, photographs, or even family heirlooms can spark conversation and tell a story about who you are. Don't overlook the power of greenery. A potted plant or a small indoor tree breathes life into the entry, creating a fresh and vibrant welcome. Choose plants that thrive in low light if your entry doesn't get much natural sun. Snake plants, pothos, or ZZ plants are all excellent choices. For a touch of elegance, consider a seasonal floral arrangement that changes throughout the year, keeping the space feeling dynamic and current. Storage is another crucial element, blending form and function. Stylish baskets or bins beneath a console keep clutter at bay. Think shoes, umbrellas, or pet leashes. While wall hooks or a sleek coat rack make it easy for guests to hang their belongings. If space allows, a built-in bench with cubbies beneath offers both seating and storage, inviting guests to sit and stay a while. Personal touches are what truly make your entryway memorable. Perhaps it's a framed map of your favorite city, a quirky doormat with a welcoming message, or a collection of souvenirs from your travels. These details not only serve as conversation starters, but also make your home feel uniquely yours. Scent is a subtle, yet powerful way to influence mood. Consider a diffuser with a signature scent, perhaps something fresh and clean, like eucalyptus, or warm and inviting, like vanilla and cedar. The right fragrance lingers gently, creating an atmosphere that's both comforting and luxurious. For those who entertain frequently, a well-placed bar cart or drink station in the entry can set a festive tone right from the start. Arrange sparkling glasses, a decanter, or a pitcher of infused water, and let guests help themselves as they arrive. It signals hospitality and immediately puts people at ease. Artful organization can make even the busiest entryways feel serene. For families, a message board or chalkboard wall is perfect for reminders, greetings, or displaying the week's schedule. A small dish or tray for keys and mail keeps essentials in check, reducing visual clutter and making it easy to find what you need as you dash out the door. Lighting, again, deserves a second mention, especially when layered. Pair overhead fixtures with table lamps or lanterns for a soft, welcoming glow. Battery-operated candles in hurricane vases or lanterns can add warmth and safety, especially in homes with pets or children. For small spaces, think vertically. Tall shelving, wall-mounted hooks, and narrow console tables maximize utility without sacrificing floor space. Use every inch wisely, but resist the urge to overcrowd. Negative space is just as important as what you choose to display. Seasonal swaps keep your entryway feeling fresh. In the fall, a woven basket of pine cones or a wreath on the door can evoke coziness. In spring and summer, swap in lighter textiles and fresh blooms. These small changes show attentiveness and care, making guests feel as though every visit is special. Lastly, never underestimate the impact of a beautiful front door. Whether you paint it a vibrant hue, add polished hardware, or adorn it with a unique knocker, the front door is the exclamation point at the entrance to your home. By weaving together these elements, thoughtful lighting, stylish storage, personal touches, and a welcoming atmosphere, you can craft an entryway that does more than just impress. It sets the stage for every gathering, every hello and goodbye, ensuring that each guest feels not just welcomed, but truly wowed. The magic of a stunning entryway lies not in its size or grandeur, but in its ability to capture the essence of your home and extend a warm invitation to all who step inside.